Hi, PerspectiveWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Wednesday, May 15th. Well, very unusually chilly conditions this morning here in the suburbs of Philadelphia. Low temperatures near 40 degrees in many spots. Also unusual, sunshine this morning. It looks like it'll be a mostly sunny day in the I-95 corridor region from D.C. to Philadelphia to New York City. With that sunshine this time of the year, temperatures will respond nicely, rising quickly during the midday and afternoon hours, reaching probably 70, 72 degrees for afternoon highs. It remains relatively warmer over the next several days in the Mid-Atlantic region, including during the upcoming weekend. Doesn't mean it will be rain-free, however. There are a couple of frontal systems we'll have to deal with. One front drops in from the north and west late tonight, could produce a few showers, and then another frontal system arrives on Friday. That could have some shower activity, maybe even a thunderstorm or two. Probably the big story over the next few days will be the likelihood of some substantial snow over the Sierra Nevada region, the mountains in eastern California. Just incredible amounts of snow has already fallen out in that part of the country during the winter and spring, and it is not over yet. They could get 1 to 2 feet of snow out there. And also, severe weather really is a threat for the Central Plains over the upcoming weekend, and a second threat looks likely maybe by Monday night or Tuesday of next week. We'll kind of focus in on those two parts of the country. First of all, the radar this morning, all clear here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Again, first morning that we woke up with some full sunshine here in the I-95 corridor region the past several days. Of course, the sun is getting stronger and stronger. Here we are, middle part of May already, and temperatures will respond noticeably, rising from the lower 40s to near 70 degrees this afternoon. A batch of showers and thunderstorms out across the Mississippi Valley. But here is that storm system that is just now moving into California and the Sierra Nevada mountain range, right basically in this region right here in eastern California, will get pounded with some snowfall. Above 5,000 feet, 1 foot of snow is possible over the next 48 hours. Above 8,000 feet, you may get 2 feet of snow over the next 48 hours or so. Just some tremendous snowfall. That's good news in the long run for the water supply in California. The snow melt from the Sierra Nevada mountains certainly contributes to water supply during the summertime going into the fall, and they have had just incredible amounts of snow over the past several months, and it is not over yet. In the Central Plains here, we'll see in a moment here with the upper air pattern. This is a battle zone region that is setting up for possible severe weather outbreaks both this weekend and again next week. So we'll have to focus in on that and monitor that closely. Could be some important outbreak of tornadoes in this particular part of the country. Again, perhaps Saturday and then again Monday night or Tuesday of next week. Well, let's take a look at last night's 6Z GFS model run. We'll start with the 500 millibar height anomalies because this really tells the story in terms of the snowfall potential out in California, the higher elevations of eastern California, severe weather potential in the middle part of the nation this weekend and again next week. Here, beginning of the day in the east, that upper level low that produced a extended soaking rain event for Philly, D.C., New York City is finally pushing off the eastern seaboard. The result, sunshine today, a very chilly start to the day. Snow fell yesterday in the higher elevations of New England. Again, unusually chilly for this time of the year, but with the return of sunshine, temperatures will respond nicely. 70 degrees definitely on the table for the I-95 corridor this afternoon. Let's now move forward here. First of all, watch this powerful upper level feature moving into California later today and tonight. That is, of course, a contributing factor to rain along coastal sections and snow inland in California. Very cold air aloft with this particular system. As that cold front sweeps through California, the snow levels will drop in the Sierra Nevadas. First, they'll be getting snow places like above 8,000 feet, and then all the way down to about 5,000 feet more snow. Pretty nice ridging in the middle part of the nation by Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. That pushes into the east. Generally, a warmer pattern setting up for the Mid-Atlantic region for the next several days compared to the last several days. But here we go by the upcoming weekend, look at this. We have basically strong ridging in the east, deep upper level trough in the west. This is the battle zone region, basically cold air out west, warmer air to the south and east with some humidity as well. Battle zone region by this weekend in the middle part of the nation, could be a severe weather outbreak there. And then watch as system number 1 pushes on by, another system just drops into the southwest U.S. with cold air in the upper part of the atmosphere. This is now the Sunday night forecast map. Notice high pressure ridging along the eastern seaboard, and then that too could produce a severe weather outbreak in the middle part of the nation, looking like maybe Monday night, Tuesday time frame. Still a little early to say, but here we go. That slams into the middle part of the nation, and just look at again this battle zone region out here in the middle part of the nation with deep upper level lows situated to the west and high pressure ridging to the east, basically cold air to the west, warm air to the east, and again, potential severe weather this weekend and again next week in the middle part of the nation. Well, let's now walk through the surface forecast maps from the GFS model, starting off cold here in the mid-Atlantic, in the northeast U.S. Notice some snow here falling in upstate Maine. Here we are, May 15th, still seeing not only snow, but accumulating snow in some of the higher elevations of New England. If you're a skier, you're really loving this. Killington, Vermont had a fresh snowpack, and of course out in the western part of the nation, some of the ski resorts in California will likely be skiing all the way until July 4th this year. Let's keep moving forward here, and high pressure basically in control for the day today, but then frontal system drops in from the north and west into the mid-Atlantic region tonight. Certainly do not expect a heavy rain event, but there can be a few showers during the evening, but more likely late tonight will be the best chance for showers in the mid-Atlantic region. Again, not a heavy rain event, but there could be a shower or two even into the early morning hours on Thursday. Look at what's going on out here by tomorrow morning in the higher elevation regions of the Sierra Nevada. Tremendous precipitation, a couple of feet of snow possible. Some of those higher elevation regions, places like Yosemite down Sequoia National Park, a significant storm, Pounds, California, even into the middle of May, we're getting some serious snowfall out in those higher elevation locations. Let's keep moving forward through the day on Thursday. Generally rain-free on Thursday here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Cannot completely rule out a shower. A lot of storminess out in the western U.S., including California. Another front arrives here in the Mid-Atlantic region on Friday afternoon. It looks like that could have showers. It'll be a warm day, 75 degrees likely for highs, maybe 80 degrees in D.C., maybe a thunderstorm or two associated with that particular frontal system. Lots of blues still showing up in those higher elevations of the western U.S. Again, we've mentioned this several times here. As long as we continue to get these cold air outbreaks, it'll contribute to an overall active weather pattern across the nation, meaning a wet weather pattern, and the potential for severe weather, especially in a battle zone region like the middle part of the nation. Let's keep moving forward here. Probably a decent weekend in the Mid-Atlantic region. Cannot rule out a shower or two on Saturday, and certainly cannot rule out a few showers on Sunday. Overall, probably partly sunny both days. Generally warm. Again, not a guarantee of perfect weather both days by any means, but generally a decent weekend coming to the Mid-Atlantic region. And here we go now by Saturday. Look at this frontal system right here in the middle part of the nation may be accompanied by some severe weather during the day Saturday night. Again, lots of warm, humid air in the southeast, lots of cold air across the Rockies as we set the stage for a potential severe weather outbreak this weekend. Let's move into the latter part of the weekend. Here we are Saturday night into Sunday. Again, the possibility of a few scattered showers in the Mid-Atlantic region, and then a frontal system could cause some more showers Sunday night and Monday in the Mid-Atlantic region. Still, some blues showing up here. Blues represent snowfall areas here on the GFS forecast maps. Again, another cold system moving into the western U.S., setting the stage for potentially more severe weather later Monday or Tuesday in the heartland of the nation, in the middle part of the nation, Oklahoma, Kansas, Texas, certainly have to be on guard for the potential of severe weather, not only this weekend, but into next week. Let's keep moving forward here. And here we go. Look at this outbreak here of some heavy precipitation. Continuation of some snowfall over the Colorado Rockies here by Monday night going into Tuesday morning. A lot of activity here in the middle part of the nation. That's the battle zone region there. Again, a severe weather outbreak possible there Monday night and Tuesday of next week. So the continuation of an active pattern across the nation. Generally better weather here in the Mid-Atlantic region for the next several days. Not rain-free, however, but we'll get warmer and some sunshine likely each of the next several days. A lot of activity, though, in the middle part of the nation with a severe weather threat for the weekend, and again next Monday or Tuesday. And a couple of powerful storms pound the western part of the U.S., especially California, with rain along the coast, heavy snows in the Sierra Nevada, and it looks like a couple of systems could affect that part of the nation over the next few days and again into the early to middle part of next week. That's it for now. For PerspectiveWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.